Hi there. Hi, Fox's team. This is Erin Naylor, Fox's occupational therapist, and I just wanted to create a little video on some of the tools that we're using in OT that maybe we can find a way to create a daily plan for Fox. One of his goals for occupational therapy is to learn how to keyboard for written communication. Right now, Fox uses really two methods to communicate answers. One is oral dictation, which is his main way of communicating an answer. But we are trying to improve in OT his way of keyboarding, which would include annotating, which is a kind of a complicated skill. So I thought I'd do a quick video. Maybe in Fox's free time, he can watch the video and then possibly annotate the same worksheet that I'm going to send in the email. Okay, so to get started, so Fox, if you are going to be annotating a worksheet, the first thing you do is you move your cursor to the little A, and it's capital A with a circle on it, and it's a button. When you hover over that with your cursor, you'll see uh, mark up toolbar. Press that button, Fox. And I know, Fox, you know where that button is because we've talked about it. The next thing, Fox, I want you to practice doing is locating the T with a box on it. When you press that, Fox, you are going to get, now I'm going to make mine just a little bit bigger so you can see it. And any adult that is working with Fox, we may want to increase that font for him as well. And if you hadn't noticed, the way I did that was I pushed the A and then adjusted the font. So about 45 is perfect for this sample, this worksheet today. So Fox, when I hit T, I get a little text box. That box, I have to go over to that little box and I have to click it and drag it to the line I want to fill in. Now, Fox, you may want to just do lots of text boxes all at once, like I just did, and then click them and move them to each blank line. So, Fox, the reason we're doing that is so that you can type your answer. Here they come again. All right. Now I could have counted my text boxes first and then click the correct amount. But because I didn't do that, I'm just going to click on what's left over and I'm going to delete them. So I click on it, Fox, see the blue dots that turn up? And then I push my delete button. All right. Now I'm close to being able to fill out my worksheet. All right. Let's go to question 1. Blank, a species that has so few members that the entire species is at risk of dying out. And then it's asking for some examples. So this is a fill in the blank vocabulary worksheet. So we want to pick one of these answers. Now, teachers, if you're working with Fox, you probably will want to read him each one of these vocabulary um, words because we know how smart he is, but he struggles with reading. So today we read these, right, Fox? And you and I knew the answer was endangered species. So I brought my clicker up to the text box, I clicked it, and I clicked it again 2 times. And I don't know if you can see, but see how it turned blue. Once it's blue, it's ready for me to type the answer. Now, it ran over the type space a little bit. That's okay. That's okay. You could adjust it if you wanted to and move it over a little bit so it fits nicer. Or, Fox, I'm sure your teachers are fine with you leaving it just that way. Let's go to question number 2. Now, if I really wanted to get fancy, I could get my pencil all ready and I could cross out endangered species because I know I've used that answer, right? Question 2. Blank a species that has died off, and then it asks for an example. We'll do the examples later at another time. So, a species that has died off, you and I talked about that today, and uh, we knew it was an extinct species. Now, I have my pencil out, so I want to go back to my text box, right? Nope, I created a new one. I want to click back on that pencil, right? That turns my pencil off because we now want to type. I'm going to click 1, then 2, and I'm going to type my answer. Okay. Now, Fox, let's say I've finished this worksheet and I want to save it. How would I do that? Well, what I would do is go up to File. Let's see if Save will work. I'm just going to move my page a little bit out of the way so I can see what I've saved. It says Science Page, Grade 3, and it's being saved on my desktop. Now, maybe I want to call it Fox's Science Page. And now I've saved it on my